Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So our bun is in full swing. She is wild and ready and enjoying her Monday. So we are going to just hop right in. I went to Target and I randomly went to Staples. I also went to Safeway, but I'm not gonna show my groceries, but I will show you what I got from Staples and Target. So let's just get into it. I actually work on Mondays, but today I actually have the day off because I do work for, I'm at a school, and so I go by a school schedule, and our school had the day after Easter off, so we are here, and I feel like a stay-at-home mom living my best life, going to Target and getting stuff that I don't need. So like I said, I went to Target and then I went to Staples. So my boyfriend actually is starting a class tomorrow. So I thought it would be nice to get him some like supplies, a notebook, a planner. So that's why I went to Staples, and then I also went to Target. So I thought I would show you guys everything that I got. And also I will link everything below if I can find it all. So the first thing I got is this 2021 weekly appointment book. So it goes from December 2020 to January 2022. And then it just looks like this. It's gray. And I just thought it would be perfect for him because, as you can see here, it's all tabbed by the month. And then it has like, I don't know if you guys can see, but it has more of like a calendar look, and then you can also divide it up by day. So even for me, I feel like when I'm trying to organize, I do like to go, I like to have like a full overview of the calendar, but then I also like to have more, what's the word? Columns for like specific day. Hopefully that makes sense. And then I also just got him this notebook just for him to take notes and stuff like that. So this is actually for me. This is a notebook, or not a notepad. Can't talk. And this is for me. I found this and I thought it was really cute. It is a notepad, and it's, as you can see, it's super cute. It says to do, and it's in this really pretty blue color. We love her, and yeah, I just think it'll be nice if like I'm at home or at work and I want to kind of like write down things I need to do that day. I feel like this will keep me nice and organized. I have ADD and your girl forgets everything, and I'm just like always on like 50 million things. So I also got him pens. I know people are very like particular with their pens. These are the ones I like. So these are the ones I like. Obviously, I'm like, I hope he likes them, but I also got some highlighters because taking notes is key. And then the last thing I got at Staples is this Martha Stewart gold disc magnets. We need some magnets for our fridge because we have so much stuff now. We have so much stuff on our fridge, and we need magnets because we have 2 magnets, and it's like everything just keeps falling because the magnets aren't strong enough, so we need more. So that is everything I got from Staples. Now let's go on to Target. Super random, but I got these plastic cups. I already have I think I have 2 or 3 of like the light pink color. I really like these for like water or whatever. And I know that they were really cheap, so I thought the black was kind of cool. I also got this acrylic, I don't even know if it's acrylic actually. It just says medium rectangle organizer. I got this at Target because I need to like organize my makeup. I just don't even have room anymore, and it's annoying, and I want to be organized, so I did grab this. They have like all sorts of shape sizes. So I got some cotton pads. I feel horrible buying these because I know that they are wasteful. So yeah, I just feel horrible for buying those. So I told you guys this is gonna be random. So I did get a garlic press. I've been needing this. I really love to cook, and garlic is like the worst thing to cut up because it's so small, but you want it to be like super finely cut. So I really needed this. And everywhere I look, these are so expensive. I think this was like $7.99. $7.99 for a garlic press, but I bought it because I needed it. I also got a body wash. This is the Method Men Sea Surf. Girls and boys, if you have a boyfriend, husband, fiance, they need this. Powered by Method. So yeah, this smells, you guys, it smells so good. Like, I feel like I could even use this. It just smells so good. It's like, I don't even know how to explain it, but it's really good. So he needed one of these, and sometimes they're sold out, so I got one. And then this should be on one of those like videos, like TikTok made me do it. So I saw a TikTok and it was using like a brush like this, and you fill it with soap and vinegar, and you keep it in your shower. So anytime you do like a hair mask, or like I like to take baths, but I use like Lush bath bombs. So sometimes the residue is left on the tub. And so, you know, when you're in the shower, or when you get out of the bath, like right after, you can just take this and scrub it down. That way you're not like leaving it and then it gets hard, and then like you're having to do like double the work. So I hope that that works out for me. The next thing I got is random, but definitely needed. So we needed a new lint roller. We went through our first one, and here we are again. All right, so these I'm so excited about because we have a little balcony in our, or outside of our apartment, and it's super boring and we don't have anything really out there besides my cute little succulents. But I thought that these would be really cute, like hanging, so that we don't need like the full-on light when we're sitting out there, and we can have like a little romantic situation with these lights. And they're gold, which is super cute. I think these were like $17. So I'm excited for those. Next, super random, but I did get black towel. I really like black towels. Our bathroom is like black and white, so a black towel is necessary. I bought two, but they were like the cheaper ones at Target, and we've been here for like 3 months or 4 months, so I think 3 months. I don't know. Time has just become not time anymore, if you know what I mean. So I wanted to get us a nicer towel because I find that like, yeah, cheaper towels are nice, but they don't last as long. Okay, so this I'm super excited about. This is called the Daily Pad. It's 50 sheets, set of 12, set of 2, just kidding. Oh, I didn't know it was a set of 2, so that means that's really cool. It also says that this is recyclable, so that's awesome as well. I'm gonna open it so I can show you guys like what they look like, but I'm really excited because you can circle, hopefully you guys can see this, probably not. Well, basically you can circle up here what day it is, so Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday. There's notes, and then over here you can divvy up your day by time, which I absolutely love. Like I said, I have ADD and I'm just like never organized enough, so I feel like having these little pads around will help me when I'm like, oh, I need to do something, and then before I forget it, I need to write it down. So super excited about these. All right, these are random too, but I did get these for Zach. So I got him this shirt from Target. It has a pocket and it's like a muted yellow lime green. I don't know, I like unique colors because I feel like, I don't know, it just makes you stand out, and I just really like how they look. I also got these like sweat shorts. He just likes these to be comfortable in, and I don't blame him because I like to be in sweats all the time too. These are called the knit shorts. So yeah, I hope he likes those. And then there's just one last thing, which is this bad boy right here. Oh, which is this bad boy right here. So the last thing to show you guys is this bad boy right here. This is a calendar, it's a whiteboard, and we are going to use this for all of our bills so that we can kind of like keep track of when everything's due, and once again, stay organized because I feel like me and Zach both, like, we just forget, or it's not that we forget, I feel like it's more we're not organized. And so I think the more we write down things, the better we're gonna be. So that is going to conclude this video. I really hope that you guys loved it. If you did, please make sure to subscribe and like. It's a free way to help me out, and I really, really, really appreciate it. And yeah, I will talk to you guys in my next video. Bye.